So here we go, the motor is set at 5 maximum power. Now I just have to press this little button and enjoy. Let's see how powerful it is. Ooh, ooh. And let's go. Ooh. All right, here it is. That's the box, that's the electric bike. There, I'm impatient to open the box, check it out and mount it and assemble it and see how it performs. And now let's find out what's inside this big box. Here we go. If you are two person, it's much better than alone, of course, to help you to remove this bike from the box. As you can see, alone it's going to be a bit tricky, but not impossible. Unfortunately, I just noticed here there is an impact on the bike. There's a dent on the bike body right there. Also, be sure to check the box correctly before you throw it out, because I almost threw the keys. There were a set of keys in the bottom of the box, so don't forget to check your packaging before to throw it away. All right, let's continue. Also, you will have to be careful with this chain over there. It arrived fully greased already, and of course when you unpack the bike you may, like me, put grease all over your fingers, so be careful with this chain. And of course, once completely assembled, don't forget to remove the protective plastic, like here, here, and of course here. Also, I advise you to use the trick with the tape like I'm using right now for this plastic, protective plastic on the screen there, because it's almost impossible to get it otherwise. It's very stuck on there. So the trick is to take a piece of tape and tape it on the protective plastic, and here, see, you can remove it, up, lift it some, and now I can grab it and peel it out. So remember this trick with the tape, it could help you save some trouble for later. Now it's all nice and shiny. All right, everything bike related is assembled. The bike is assembled, all the gear are set up, all the brakes are set up as well. Now the only last part to do is to put the battery and test the electric motor of this bike. All right, let's do that and see if we have any magic smoke coming out when I install the battery. All right, battery is good to go. First, let's check that the lock system is unlocked, and then let's slide it up on the bike, like so. Now I'm going to lock it with the provided key. That's it, the battery is completely locked. And now the magic black smoke time with pressing the on-off button here, which is concealed under this rubber tab. Pressing the on button. The bike is normally on, everything is on. No magic smoke, so that's a good sign. The bike is all good to go, everything is connected, everything works, the switch is on. Now to start the bike, I just have to press and hold the M button here in the middle, and after a few seconds, here we go, the display lights up, and now I'm good to go. So let's take it for a ride. Up. Here we go. Now I just have to set the bike motor to the power I want. It has 5 different levels, starting at 0. 0 means you just have a bicycle with no motor at all, no motor help at all, while going all the way to 5 means you have the maximum power of the motor, the maximum help from the motor. So here we go, the motor is set at 5, maximum power. Now I just have to press this little button and enjoy. Let's see how powerful it is. Ooh, ooh. And let's go. Ooh. All right, here we go. That was the review of this Googo electric bike, e-bike. I like it very much. I think it's going to be awesome for shopping around or even just exercise. The motor is actually helpful to bring me up the hill. We have a quite a stiff hill here, so that was very useful. Motor was helping very well compared to my other bike that I had to actually dismount the bike and go up the hill by foot. So that works perfectly. Very happy. Hope you will be happy with yours. Thanks again for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it has been useful despite the little trouble at some point. But in any case, see you next time. Bye bye. Woo! Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Yeehaw!